Hi guys, it's Miss Rushforth here. I just found something at the store that I thought you guys would be fascinated by. We just finished up forensic entomology, and you guys should be starting on human remains and process of death. But with forensic entomology, I found at the store cricket protein barbecue chips. That's right, guys. They are making cricket protein powder to subsidize protein in potato chips. So we are going to try these at lunch, but I just wanted to let you guys know you can get them at Fry's. It's pretty cool. You can eat some bugs. You can gross some people out. At least it's not the blowfly or the beetles like we see in forensic entomology, but this is new and improved. It's called Chirps. I found it at Fry's. Let's see what they look like. They smell like potato chips. They look like a potato chip. They taste like a potato chip. Try them out. They're actually not that bad. Tastes like barbecue. Have a good one. See you guys later.